Hello friends, today we are on number 1 to 10 learning, drawing and coloring. So let's start. Orange color. Number 1. Number 1. Yellow color. Two. Red color. Three. Light green color. Four. Sky blue color. Five. Orange color. Six. Yellow color. Seven. Red color. Eight. Light green color. Nine. Sky blue color. 10. Black color. White color. Yellow color. Sky blue color. Red color. Pink color. Gray color. Light green color. Brown color. Orange color. Dark green color. Blue color. Peace pink color. Purple color. Let's paint yellow color. A for apple. A for apple. Brown color. B for banana. B for banana. Dark green color. C for carrot. C for carrot. Sky blue color. D for dog. D for dog. Red color. E for elephant. E for elephant. Yellow color. F for fish. F for fish. Brown color. G. G for goat. G for goat. Dark green color. H. H for horse. H for horse. Sky blue color. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Red color. J. J for jam. J for jam. Yellow color. K. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo. Brown color. L. L for lion. L for lion. Dark green color. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Sky blue color. N. N for nest. N for nest. Red color. O. O for octopus. O for octopus. Yellow color. P. P for panda. P for panda. Brown color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Dark green color. R. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Sky blue color. S. S for sun. S for sun. Red color. T. T for tree. T for tree. Yellow color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Brown color. V. V for fan. V for fan. Dark green color. W. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. Sky blue color. X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Red color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Yellow color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Let's learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's draw. Heart shape, circle shape, triangle shape, oval shape, star shape, pentagon shape. Let's paint red color. Heart shape, yellow color. Circle shape, brown color. Triangle shape, dark green color. Oval shape, sky blue color. Star shape, red color. Pentagon shape, heart shape, circle shape, triangle shape, oval shape, star shape, pentagon shape.